Hello friends, today we are again continuing with the third chapter, that is demand analysis. In demand analysis we have seen various individual demand schedule, we have also seen market demand schedule, law of demand, as well as we have seen various types of demand as well as determinants of demand. Now in today's video we are going to look towards variation in demand, how the demand changes of a particular commodity, that we have to see. In First we will look towards what is the meaning of variation in demand. Demand falls or rises due to the change in price alone. डिमांड में चेंजेस है, डिमांड बढ़ रहा है या कम हो रहा है ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ द price, only because of the price as a factor, that there is a changes in the demand, either demand falls or either demand rises. Okay, now let's start with expansion of demand. Expansion means what? Getting large. So how in expansion of demand what happens? The quantity demanded increases due to the change in price, and that price, what happens to the price? There is decrease in price. प्राइस कम है और उसकी वजह से क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड क्या है? ज़्यादा है. ओके, लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दिस विद द हेल्प ऑफ ग्राफ. सी, दिस इज एक्स एक्सिस and this is y axis. We know very well x axis always denotes the quantity demanded, and y axis denotes the price of a commodity. Now what this expansion of demand says, that if the price is low, the quantity demanded will be increased. Now let's assume the price is this much, okay, and the quantity demanded is this much. So this is price and this is quantity demanded. But as the price is reducing, or you can say it is decreasing, what is going to happen? Quantity demanded is going to increase. That means there is going to be an expansion. See, at P the quantity demanded is Q. When the price will be P1, okay, the quantity demanded will increase to Q1. Okay, so what has happened? The curve, or you can say the demand has shifted from left to right. Why? Because the quantity has increased and price has fallen. So the demand curve here, you can say, that is BD curve, is sloping downwards from left to right. Why? Because the quantity demanded has increased, और reason क्या है उसका? Price has reduced. ठीक है, प्राइस कम है इसलिए क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड इज इंक्रीज. सो द डिमांड कर्व हैज मूव्ड अहेड, इट हैज शिफ्टेड टुवर्ड्स द राइट साइड. ओके, सो व्हाट इज मीन, दिस इज व्हाट इज मीन बाय एक्सपांशन. क्वांटिटी में क्या हुआ है? एक्सपांशन हुआ है. ठीक है, नाउ वी विल सी कॉन्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ डिमांड. कॉन्ट्रैक्शन इज एग्जैक्टली अपोजिट ऑफ एक्सपांशन. What we saw in expansion, that the quantity has increased, and what will happen in contraction? The quantity will be reduced. Let's understand with the help of graph. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay, x-axis denotes quantity demanded, and what does y-axis denotes? It denotes price of a commodity. Now what it says is, the when price is rising, जब प्राइस किसी प्रोडक्ट की प्राइस ज़्यादा है तो क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड विल reduce. Okay, see, if the price is this much, okay, that is P. At P the quantity demanded might be Q. Okay, but as price is rising, maybe from P the price may go to P1, there is an increase in price, right? So what happens if the price is increasing? Quantity demanded is going to reduce, so might be the quantity demanded will be Q1. तो क्या हुआ है? Demand curve has shifted from right to left. Your demand curve has shifted from left to right. It has moved towards right side, but here the demand curve is moving towards the left side. Why? Because there is a contraction in quantity demanded. Clear? So the demand curve is moving towards the left direction and the price has been increased. Okay, so this is what is mean by contraction of demand, जहाँ पे quantity demanded reduced है. Why? Because the price has increased. And here the quantity demanded is increased. Why? Because the price has decreased. So this is expansion where there is enlargement of demand, and this is contraction where the demand gets contracted, and that is only because of price. यहाँ पे price ये factor बहुत important है. बाकी के जितने भी assumptions है, like you know population है, size of population है, taste of a person, preference of a person, these all things are going to remain constant, and only there is going to be change in price. When there is changes in demand only because of price, that type of demand is called as variation in demand, and then there might be two types, that is expansion and contraction. Clear? This was all about variation in demand. Thank you.